Imagine this, you're sitting in the driver's seat of a car that feels like it was designed by the gods of speed. The engine purrs to life, a sound so deep and powerful it feels like the heartbeat of a beast. You press the accelerator, and in less than 3 seconds, you're hurtling forward at a speed that defies logic. This isn't just a car, this is the Bugatti Chiron, a masterpiece of engineering, a symbol of human ambition, and a machine that exists at the intersection of art and science. If cars could dream, the Chiron would dream of breaking every limit imaginable. The Bugatti Chiron isn't just a hypercar, it's a legend. It's the successor to the iconic Venom, and it takes everything to a whole new level. Named after Louis Chiron, a legendary Bugatti racing driver, this car is more than just a tribute, it's a revolution. It's a car that doesn't just push boundaries, it obliterates them. But what makes the Chiron so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a car, it's a statement about what's possible when human ingenuity meets limitless ambition. First, let's bust some myths. Myth number 1. Hypercars are all about speed, not comfort. Wrong. The Chiron is proof that you can have both. With its handcrafted interior, premium materials, and advanced suspension system, it's as comfortable as it is fast. It's a car that cradles you in luxury while hurtling you toward the horizon at unimaginable speeds. Myth number 2. Hypercars are impractical and can only be driven on tracks. Think again. The Chiron is designed to be driven on real roads, with features like adaptive suspension, advanced aerodynamics, and even a bit of cargo space. It's not just a track monster, it's a car you can actually live with. And myth number 3. Hypercars are just for show. Not the Chiron. Every detail, every curve, every component is there for a reason, to deliver unparalleled performance. It's not just a car, it's a work of art. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Chiron even more. Did you know that the Chiron is powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces a mind-blowing 1,500 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque? That's enough power to launch this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds and reach a top speed of 261 miles per hour. But here's the kicker, the Chiron is electronically limited to 261 miles per hour for safety reasons. Without that limit, experts believe it could easily surpass 300 miles per hour. It's not just fast, it's otherworldly. And let's not forget the aerodynamics. The Chiron's design isn't just about looking good, it's about maximizing performance. The car features an active rear wing that adjusts in real time to optimize downforce and stability. At high speeds, the wing acts like an air brake, helping the Chiron come to a stop from 250 miles per hour in less than 10 seconds. It's not just a car, it's a marvel of engineering. But the Chiron isn't just about raw power, it's also about precision. The car features a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers lightning-fast shifts and seamless power delivery. The all-wheel drive system ensures that all that power is put to the ground efficiently, while the adaptive suspension provides a ride that's as smooth as it is responsive. It's a car that's as much about finesse as it is about brute force. Think about the last time you saw a car that made your heart race. The Chiron is here to bring that feeling to life. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, carbon fiber body, and iconic C-shaped curve along the sides, it's a car that demands attention wherever it goes. The interior is just as breathtaking, with hand-stitched leather, polished aluminum, and customizable options that let you create a car that's uniquely yours. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Chiron isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. The Chiron is designed to dominate on both the road and the track, with features like carbon ceramic brakes, dynamic torque vectoring, and multiple driving modes that let you tailor the car's performance to your needs. Whether you're cruising down the highway or pushing the limits on a racetrack, the Chiron delivers an experience that's second to none. But what really sets the Chiron apart is its exclusivity. Only 500 units of the Chiron will ever be built, making it one of the rarest and most sought-after cars in the world. Each car is handcrafted at Bugatti's headquarters in Molsheim, France, with a level of attention to detail that's unparalleled. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history. So, what does the Bugatti Chiron mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have speed and luxury, performance and artistry, exclusivity and innovation. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and ambitious as you are. It's a car that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of performance, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Bugatti Chiron isn't just a car, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: speed, luxury, and exclusivity. It's a car that doesn't just push limits, it shatters them. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the Chiron? Because this isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.